Windows 10 lets you to choose from various sign-in options, but if you are the only user then you can set up Windows 10 to automatically sign in at startup. The best advantage of configuring Windows 10 Auto Login is to skip user PIN or Microsoft account password every time you turn on the PC or laptop. Here is how to set up Windows 10 automatically sign in at startup. In order to set up Auto Login, you first required change your default sign-in option. If you was using Windows Hello PIN or any other login option, then change it to password. Once configured, now you need to open Run command box. Just type Run in the search bar. Now type Netplwiz and press enter or click on OK button. User account screen will pop up from here. Just uncheck in front of users, must enter a username and password to use this computer. Click on apply. It will require you to enter your Microsoft account password or password you are already using to log in. Click OK and it's all set. Now you can automatically log into Windows 10. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.